Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Kdenlive, and just the very start of it, excuse me. I got a little bit of a cold this week, so you can kind of hear that in my voice. So let's get started. So some of the basics is, up here is your project bin, and you can put the videos that you want up here, and one of the most important, I think, is the render button. When you render this, you can select, ultra high definition, select your quality, all that, the file type, MP4, just like that. And let's go back. So if we import a video, we can do an old video for Blender. If you want to go watch my series on this, then you can. Oh, that is spelled wrong. Let's get another video. Okay. So if we get this video in here, stick it here. If you want to watch my Blender series, it's pretty cool. So this is the cut tool, and this is really useful for cutting out sections that you don't want. So I can cut that out and boom, delete it, bring them back together, and then it's seamless. So that's a super useful tool for stuff like that, and speeding stuff up and slowing stuff down, that's pretty important. You use that a lot. So just right click on this, click add effect, motion, speed. We can change this to 200, so that made it a lot shorter, and you can tell this is a lot faster than when it was before. You can see it really shrunk down quite a lot. So I'm also going to slow down this one. Let's speed it up. Speed it up to 300 so you can really see the effect. And you can see it's moving pretty fast. And that's a very useful tip there. I use that quite a lot. Now, Kdenlive does have its downfalls. It has some glitches. Sometimes there's sometimes an issue with the saving, but you can sometimes get over that. But really, a lot of times we use this to stick the videos in and then just render them in high quality. And that seems to get the job done because we don't need to do too much of like crazy stuff. So, and you can put in your project bin as many videos as you want, and then you can stack them together here. And of course, there's your undo, redo buttons, save buttons, copy for copying the different things, and some of your normal shortcuts. If you ever used like iMovie before or Final Cut Pro, some of those same shortcuts and things will carry over. So if you've ever learned another editing software before, you'll pick up Kdenlive pretty quick. So that's a pretty simple overview, very down to just raw bone overview of what Kdenlive is and what it can do. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on InventBox, where the solution is right around the corner.